Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's still your girl Tina here. Welcome back. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly do so. Well, in this video I want to show you how you can earn money daily using just your smartphone, giving yourself just an hour, or let's just say an hour to 30 minutes, or just 2 hours daily is enough. Just you holding your phone, pressing your phone, and making legit money online with your smartphone. All right, so I'm gonna be using my phone so I can explain to you how it goes and how to get started with it. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's go straight to it. All right, so here is the website. I'm going to leave the link to this website in the description below. So click on the description, you see the link to get here to this website. All right, so when you get here, when you get to this place, all you want to do is sign up. All you want to do is click here to sign up. All right, so once you sign up to this well, let me show you. Before signing up, let me show you how it works before you sign up. So this is a website where you perform, some regular taxes that we do for free of charge every day. Okay, you perform taxes like likes, comments, and you get paid for it. We do most of these things every day and we don't get paid for it. All right, so in this website you are going to be liking, commenting, and doing a whole lot of things and you're getting paid for it. All right, so let's scroll down. This is where he said perform social tax and earn daily. All right, and here it said, well, let me highlight it. Perform social tax and earn daily. All right, and here it said boost your social media portfolio. So in case you want to increase your followers, you want to increase your likes, your Twitter follower, your Instagram follower, you can as well get started here to do so, as simple as that. And the sweet part of this is that you can actually use the money you're earning in your dashboard here in this website to actually do all of these things. All right, you don't need to pay from your own money, you just need to pay from the money you're earning from in this website, and you can also withdraw your money at any time. So let's go down here, and here you can also buy recharge card and data for 10% off. All right, how beautiful is that? And here it says sell anything on this platform. So you can actually sell anything. If a vendor, you sell bags, you sell shoe, you can sell anything here. You can actually click here to get started. You can click here to get started. All right, and signing up to this platform here, to this website here, is just 1,000 naira. With 1,000 naira you can earn as much money as you want, depending on how much time you put to it. All right, so right here is where you get to refer. You can refer people, your friends and family, to the website. They can also perform taxes and earn daily. So when you refer them, when they sign up using your link, you get 500 naira immediately. And here is where you get to manage your profile. You can change anything you want to change, edit your profile right here. Okay, so this is it about this website where you can make money daily for yourself, performing simple tasks that we do on a daily basis for even free. You get paid for doing so on this website. These are business owners who have placed their business in this website, and we have the sweet thing is that we have multiple traffic tripping in to this website. Okay, you can also advertise your business here and you're making sales, you're making money. All right, so if this is your first time, you have to sign up, but since I've already signed up, let me just log in and show you how it works. Yeah, so I have logged in to my dashboard. As you can see, this is my balance right here. This is where you always see your balance. Once you sign up, you see your balance. Once you perform your tax, once you do all you're asked to do, you get your money here, and you can also place withdrawal at any time that you want to. You can place your withdrawal over here. What's going on? Yeah, you can place your withdrawal. You can withdraw your money at any time of your choice. So you want to scroll down here. So for those of you that want to advertise your business, you can also do so here. And if you want to buy anything, you can as well buy. how beautiful it is. So you scroll down, as you can see, perform social tasks and all of that. I've already explained all of that to you. So all you need to do is just give yourself an hour to 2 hours daily to perform these tasks and see how much you're making for yourself. All right, you'll be wowed at how much you'll be making for yourself. So just give this a try. All right, I hope this helps you, and check the description below. You will see the link to get started with this website. Well, thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you in another video. Bye.